Dude, that guy got kneed in the ass, like literally.
These scrubs. Alright, so it's usually, see the second line. We're all like super methodical about this, right?
Oh, that's not a game.
Put an S and start. Right as it goes.
Perfection. I love it, dude. Like McDonald's, man. Speaking of McDonald's, dude, it sounds so good. Oh my god. But you know, as a first timer here, you know, I don't.
You've been here before.
I have, but not like a really fast person. Or, of course, in a minivan out of all things. Welcome 2020, bitch. Where racing is fucking life.
Yeah, anything. Okay. It depends on how passionate you are about a certain subject.
Oh my god, the G-force is so real, dude. I can feel my ass like shifting from side to side. Like when I bend over and make my knees touch my elbow. Oh god. Oh god. So what's a good realistic time out?
330 used to be the meta. It depends on the car, of course. But I would say 320s generally. For this car, I'd be happy with a 325. And in this case, I need to actually pick it up to keep that, probably. But I also don't want to overpace myself, because once it gets to the high-speed downhill, I'll need the brakes. No, come on. Dude, you just like added like 10 minutes of editing for me. Ow.
Hey man, every minute is worth it.
Yeah.
Oh god. Man, I'm sick. I'm gonna bark in my stomach.
They're used to it.
They must be.
What's that? That's not my battery though. What is that?
I don't know, let me check.
We did get it.
Oh, it's a fast track.
Okay, hold on to that, please. It's tough.
Yeah, no, that was tough.
It's also like it's bad visuals for traffic. Damn. I could have used way more brakes.
It's okay, it's just wait, girl.
A lot less braking power there than I anticipated. That's what. A lot less.
Yeah.
Time. Alright, damn, I lost hella time there. God damn it. Because as you, okay,
Yeah, no,
remember through the
definitely,
commentary, right? I was saying like, damn, I could have used more brakes, I could have used more brakes. That time I tried to do that. Late braking, a little, like I know what entry I wanted, but clearly with that power, the braking that I didn't have, I entered at a much faster speed, scrubbed on the entry. But hey, it'd be like that sometimes.